done here.
Conscious.
My God. Yo, what is going on, Dank fam? It's your boy Mike Diesel. We are out here at the edge of Oklahoma and Arkansas, over here at Fort Smith, I want to say where it's called. Yeah, we're in Fort Smith, people, for a very special video. We got Stunt Bike Chase out here. We got Jake on the 2021 636. My dude on the, I think it's a Yamaha R6, not sure. Big special announcement, people. We have a 2022 Kawasaki Ninja Zx10 all stunted out. Super stoked to be riding this thing today, people. The thing's set up for a little bit of stunt riding. Yeah, let me quit capping. We're not riding that, unfortunately. We are riding my dusty old 21 Zx10r today. Finally, we get a chance to ride a little bit, and we'll see how the video goes. Let me know if you guys want to walk around of this bike. So I know I haven't made a dedicated video breaking down all the bike parts and everything else, but so let me know if you guys want a 6-month review of this bike and a walkthrough of all the parts. I'll go ahead and get that set up for you guys soon. So with that being said, let's get this video up to 8,000 likes. Show Arkansas some love, and let's see what we get into today. Yes, sir. Oh yeah, look at this big open lot, man. Super nice and off in the cut. It's funny, you go to these places that don't have as many resources, it seems, as like Florida, but the one perk is you got these big industrial lots that are just kind of deserted at the best times. Look at my backup set of bearings, people. We ready for whatever. Mr. Stunt Bike Chase out here got his 500-foot stoppie sticker. So he's a beast on one wheel up front and on the back. Yo, Gold Wing Stunts. Yo, that thing's got a clutch. They better do something. Woo! Almost ate it. That thing got a clutch? That thing got a clutch? You pop it up? Give her a little pop up. Come on, it's got to do something. My channel's Dankwheelie. I got to see a Dankwheelie, bro.
I've been following you since 2007.
Are you gonna let me down? You gonna let me down? It's all good. Let her eat, Bubba. That must be the rental wing. It's like a $30,000 bike. I don't blame them. Yeah, R6 out here. R6Rs are the stunt bikes you want to go for, not so much the S's. Or sorry, R6S's are the stunt bikes you want, not so much the R's. The pointy tail race ones are no good. I only come to your town and ride with you if you have a new gen. Just kidding. Treacherous business. No scrape on that girl. Golly! Just a tip, baby. What's going on? Oh, where the ball went? Oh yeah, you like that? Oh my gosh, you fucking lazy ass bike. Uh-oh, look at that, big chillin'. Double smacker, baby. I don't even know, bro. I want to hit these, man. Look like a sweet jump. Oh, Chase on the Grom now. Skip spin! Oh my God, let me own you, girl. All right, break time. We need to convince Chase to let me test ride this thing. What's that?
Keys in it, man.
Oh, I was saying you can ride it. I can ride it? Woo! All right, no more raggedy ass 2021 Zx10r, people. 2022 Zx10. We're gonna test ride this. So we got a 2022 Zx10 with a very clean impaktech crash cage race rail setup going on, steel braided front and rear brake lines, Graves exhaust, looks like the full length too, which is a nice touch. These are actually OEM Brembo front brake master, some converti bars, a cut front fairing, which is a lot of commitment for a new bike like this, and then he went and got a new windscreen, I think, or maybe it's the same one, not quite sure. And of course, tying her off, finishing her off with a beautiful green RSC clutch lever, people. So I'm excited. I'm gonna take it very easy on this bike. We're not doing no stunts like that, just kind of hanging out, seeing what she's up to. Oh, I haven't rode one of these stock yet either, so this is a big deal for me. Amazing TFT display. Woo. Oh my gosh, people, what a view. So this bike is not flashed. I believe they don't have a flash yet. Oh, look at that, it's got the H2 symbol on it. This is like the closest thing to a Stunt H2 out yet. This thing's got 412 miles. What? There's a lot of dirt and debris over here, so probably find a better spot. Yeah, I'm just gonna steal it. Wow, these bars feel so good. I feel like I could drive cross country on this thing and cut circles at rest stops. Oh man, huge thank you to Stunt Bike Chase for letting me ride this thing. I had to pull her out. I'm not even gonna bother trying to ride that dirty lot. Wow, that exhaust though. I don't know if this thing's geared. It might be a little geared. Let's let the launch decide. That Grave sounds absolutely amazing. Wow, I'm wearing like no shirt with the chest protector though. Not full squid. No clue where I'm at, people. I just want to rip this thing. It feels so nice. Straight barred 1000 cheat codes. The way this thing shifts with or without the quick shifter is really cool. I don't really know how to explain it. It feels a lot better than a lot of the newer bikes I've felt. Not better, it feels different. This feels stiffer. It feels like a manly ass transmission. Takes some oomph to really get it to shift. We're gonna make a U-turn now. Sick, man. What a cool bike, man. Very, very clean. Give her a little pop up. Oh, wait a minute, wait a minute. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of stuff going on here, so we're not even gonna bother. Alright, well, we'll see if Chase knows how to wheelie it, because I don't. Wow, this thing is sweet, man. It makes me want to stunt 1000 more and more. That's one of my big goals, people, this year, or 2022. Whenever I get a chance, really, I just want to get a stunt 1000 going. This is not the parking lot everyone's at. Where the hell am I at now? Now we're lost. He slammed it down so quick. No! The owner done crashed his Grom while he's watching me roast his other bike's tire. That was a double whammy, dude. You're like watching me roast your tire and then you drop this bike.
That's your third one.
What's that?
Third one.
Third tire?
Yeah.
Man, I wanted to try. I was trying to be lenient on it. I didn't do any over there or anything. You gotta go into your settings and turn the stuff off every time, huh?
No, it should. I was usually I keep it in sport going around town and shit.
Yeah, you haven't wheelied it and stuff, right?
Not really.
Yeah.
That electric throttle, man, I'm just not using.
Oh, is it fly-by throttle wire?
Yeah.
Can I get a little burnout on video real quick? All right. Let me put this thing up before I mess things up. Oh man, what a great bike, man. Woo, woo, woo. Did it smoke? Did it get any smoke?
One more time, I was a little bit behind you.
I'm not gonna say no. That one got a little nastier. That was nice, dude. Oh, this thing's so nice. It's like giving me goosebumps doing that. Oh, yeah, that thing's raspy. She's a mad girl. Wow, huge thanks to my man Stunt Bike Chase. I think he's gonna roll a couple stoppies or something for us. Don't leave me skimped here. All right, I'm gonna get on my bike so I can chase him properly. A little warm up. Okay, okay. yeah, look at that thing roll, baby. I helped. That thing has some distance, boy. He rolls just as far on his 6. Still getting used to this thing, I'm sure. Woo! Oh my. Let's go. Yee! Let's go. Riding a 1000 stunt bike. Got me all fired up. Let's go! Look at that thing. This thing's like 20 grand. He's just rolling it like nothing. Hi! So I crashed my bike, had to pull out the trusty Pittsburgh toolbox and wrench on it some more. But thank you guys for watching this video. Sorry I had to have a crappy outro, but that's the way this cookie crumbles. If you guys enjoyed, feel free to like, comment, subscribe. And like always, keep it dank. Later!